Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about some interesting topic which we call as a method reference. Okay, so what is method reference and why do we need that? Basically Java provides a new feature called method reference in Java 8. Okay, basically those are used to refer a method of functional interface. Okay, and it is a compact and easy form of lambda expression, right? You can simply say it as a shortcut for the lambda expression, right? So each time when you use a lambda expression to just referring a method, you can replace the lambda expression with a method reference. Let me show you how we are going to achieve that, and we'll discuss more. Okay, but before that, let me tell you there are different types of method reference. So let's see what are the types of it. The first one is reference to a static method, and the second one reference to an instance method, and third one reference to a constructor. Okay, so let's see a simple example how the method reference look like. Okay, let me open a Eclipse and let me create a new file. Okay, I'm going to create a new class file. I don't want to keep it here, and a future method ref, and my class name is going to be method reference example. Reference example. So I need to have a main method. Just click it and finish. Okay. Okay. Let's see in a simple example. Okay. So how the static method reference is going to work. Okay. For example, I have a method reference example. There is a class here. So I'm going to create a static method here. Okay. So I'm going to create a okay, public static. I can have a int compare, right? So I can have a two input here, integer x comma integer y, right? Okay, so then we'll do the return and do the comparison. Integer dot command. Okay, so integer dot compare and your two variables. Okay, so now I have a static method. So normally how we are going to call this method? Just using a class name or the instance of a class, right? So let's try the traditional way of it. Okay, so since it's a static method, I can call using the class name dot compare, and I can pass 10 and 20. Simple, right? Let me print this out. Let's run this. See, we got a response back, right? Don't worry about what kind of result are, because we all know that what is compare is going to work. If x is greater than y or y is greater than x, or if both are equal, we know it is belongs to -1 or 1, or if it is equal, it is a 0, right? Okay, so let's try to do the same thing with the help of the method reference. How we can do that, right? So this is a comparator, right? So let's use a comparator here. Comparator comparator is equal to, this is where the tricky part. So as I said before that, let me tell you the syntax. Okay, so basically The syntax for a method reference. The first thing is class name and the method name. Come on. Okay. So the class name indicates what is the class name, and the method name is going to be indicate which method we are going to use inside this particular class name, and you need to provide two colons there. So that is a token. Okay, let's try to implement that. Comparator. So what is our class name? Method reference, right? Method reference example and two colons and the method name. Got it? Okay. So here method of is error. The method of does not define okay. So we need to provide the comparator type integer. Okay, now it looks good. Let's try to run this one. This one. So this is going to be result 2, and this is going to be result 1. So here comparator dot compare pass the same two parameters, so you can see what exactly the both results gonna be. So you can double check it, right? Just run it. See, the result 1 is -1, result 2 is -2. See there. So that's the difference. Okay, so this is our traditional way of doing that, and this with the help of method reference. Okay, so we will continue this same method reference in the next video, but we are going to use the lambda expression over there. Okay, thank you.